Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your country and store location in Shopify. Whether you're moving your business, setting up in a different region, or updating your store's default address, this guide walks you through the exact steps. Let's get started. Changing your store location is a key step when expanding into new markets. Changing your store settings match where you're actually operating, so it's important to get this right. First, go to your Shopify admin dashboard. Then click Settings at the bottom left corner. From there, select Locations. You'll now see your current store location listed. This is the address Shopify uses for things like shipping, taxes, and regional settings. Keep in mind that Shopify pulls a lot of automation from this address, so having the correct location ensures accurate order fulfillment and proper tax calculations. To add a new location, click Add Location. Here, fill in the details of your new address. You can give it a name, for example, main office or new warehouse. Then enter the full street address, city, postal code, and select the correct country from the drop-down list. Once all the fields are filled in and valid, scroll down and click Save. Your new location is now added to your Shopify account. Adding multiple locations can help you manage inventory more efficiently, especially if you're running more than one warehouse or fulfillment center. Next, if you want to make this new address your default location, go back to the Locations page. Find a new location you just added, click the Change Default Location button, and select it from the list. Confirm the change, and your store will now use this new country and address as its primary location. This is especially important if you're switching to a new country, because Shopify relies on your default location to determine things like default currency, shipping origins, and some features that vary by region. Changing your store's location can affect things like tax rules, shipping zones, and payment provider availability, though it's a good idea to review those settings after updating your location. For example, some payment gateways are only available in certain countries, and your shipping rates may need adjustments to match your new region. Taking a few minutes to double-check these settings can help avoid issues later. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Shopify store's country and default address. If this video helped you, feel free to subscribe for more Shopify tips, tutorials, and step-by-step guides.